Hello guys, welcome to another Cake Plays video. Today we are going to be playing, again, hardcore Minecraft. The reason for the quit on the other world is because while I was going mining, I heard a sss behind me, and it was at that moment that he knew he screwed up. And I died, because a creeper killed me, from behind. So, that's always fun. If you're wondering why the audio isn't that good, it's because I don't have any money from no views and stuff. So it's not gonna always be the best, but at least I got this neat headset out of all of this. So we at least need 3 logs to start out with, and the reason for that is it takes 3 planks to craft an axe, 4 to craft, here, let me just show you. So we need 4 for that, a crafting table, 2 for whatever these are, pieces of timber, and now it takes 3 to make a hatchet of timber, in which we can now create cows. We got food now. This is not a good source of food, however, it is food. I mean, raw beef isn't good food. Steak is great food. It's 4th best in the game. Well, 3rd to 4th best, depending on how you rate pork chops and stuff. I'm also counting gapples in this, so yeah, I would be about right. 4th. Sounds right. Yeah, no, maybe. I don't know. So, yeah, I'm a gamer. What we are going to be doing today is restarting the world, and we've got a better spawn than last time. We already have food, decently. I have tried this a few other times. If you guys really want, I'll upload them. But if not, then I won't, because those tries, actually no, I won't upload them, because I deleted them. You got pranked, son. I know I was a lot funnier in my last video, probably because I actually slept. I have been doing nothing for the past, 7 hours. I've literally just been trying to make myself better at Minecraft and Roblox. Okay, if you even hate on me for playing Roblox, stop being a toxic gamer. We are all combined as a community of gamers to support each other, and you know what? You guys aren't doing that, okay? So don't hate on me because I actually like a game, okay? And if you do, you know what? I think I speak for everybody when we all say, go commit, die. I should be a president with that speech. If you're wondering why I'm killing horses, it's for the leather, and because horses are great for leather, especially when there's no cow. See, 9 leather now. See, everything is turning out peachy. We got one more to go after this one. And 3, 2, 1, drop it. Ba ba da da. Oh, look at that. It's probably nothing. But isn't that, no, that's 1.7. Is 1.16 the Nether update? Thought it was 1.15. Because wasn't 1.14 the bees? Yeah, no. Have you guys heard about Netherite? I am so excited to bring that into this. Granted, we would have to start a new world. So we might as well just start a new world every pretty much huge update. Like, after Netherite, I think there's going to be a few smaller updates. See? And we got more wood to spare. Boom. Come back here, you pig. But I'm just... funny, I know. And I wonder why I don't have a girlfriend. Hey, did you hear about the guy from Africa? Oh, wait. Was it from Africa? No. I messed up my joke. I am horrible at everything. Ha 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 ha. That can't be any worse than being... Oh, by the way, to all those anti-vaxxers out there, you think vaccines aren't cool? Okay then, take little Timmy to China. Take him to Wuhan. Do it. No balls. You won't. You won't. Because you want to know what? Why don't you just, I don't know, let him breathe the air there so that way he can get a feel for, and his body can naturally fight off the coronavirus. I know. Should I be making jokes about this? Probably not. Will it come back to bite me? Most likely. However, do I care? Most likely not. And so we have 9, 9, 8. Somebody do quick maths for me. Quick maths. 2 plus 2 is 4 minus 1. That's 3 quick maths. Everyday man in the black. Let's kick it. I think that's how that goes. I don't know. I don't listen to rap. Actually, I do. Well, depends on your version of rap. Because, see, what I like to listen to is meme music. If you guys ever heard of it. Probably not. It's not that popular. You guys can follow my person on Reddit, and I am user Cake561. I'm gonna get told, you're not funny, kid. And, yeah, I already covered that. It's not new information. Good job, genius. Yes, we finally got stone. Good lord. And now what we're going to do is try to get, we need 12, 15. 32. 32 is a good number. Because 8 plus 5 is 13 plus... No. 8 plus 7 is 15 plus 9... 24 plus 2 is 26, 20, 29, 30. I'm counting on my hands right now. I have no clue what. 21, that's enough, I think. 2 furnaces and an axe. Yeah, that should be good. This should be good. Well, okay, so now we just gotta look for a decent, like that over there, maybe? Thank God for scurvy's cure. Wait. Do apples cure scurvy? They shouldn't, right? But they do? I don't know. Go, 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 go. No. Not right now. Not right here. Not right now. Not right here. Not right now. Not right here. Alright, let me get my axe. I guess I'm trapped down here with 2 burning zombies. Alright. This is not bad. This is not a bad situation. This is a bad situation. No, it isn't. We're fine. We're fine. We're peachy. We're abso-friggin-lutely peachy. And I fell down a hole. Okay. So, we need to protect ourselves as soon as possible. But first, we need food or a bed. I would prefer a bed because we have enough raw food that we can cook. And, oh, hey, look at that. See? Well, everything's going to be fine. We're preparing and preparing and preparing, and we're going to die. So the best strategy that we could do is ball ourselves up for the night, or we could stay out, and I can get those sweet, sweet YouTube click views. But those are lame, I guess. Okay, so I was just watching some Grade A Underway. Speaking of which, whatever happened to Grade A? Grade A was a great YouTuber. And then he just kind of, disappeared, and then he was off. And I've covered this not much in my last video, but I absolutely loved his videos. Just, died over them. I was there. I was one of the first 10K viewers on every single one of his videos. I would get a notification that it would pop up, and then it would be like, oh, look at that, more YouTube views. And honestly, I love to say that he sounded like a chill person. And he just kind of left YouTube. And probably because it was all the drama that was happening at the time, but great if you're watching this, which we both know you aren't. Please come back. You made good points, and we really miss you, and I'm mining coal with it. Yeah, that makes sense. This actually wouldn't be a bad start to, a cave base, but I don't want a cave base. We'll come back to it if we ever need it, but we're going to stay around this area because I like this area. Or actually, or should we find a village? Not sure, honestly. Once this axe breaks, we're going to go get another one. A stone axe. Should be right about now. No. Still have a couple more hits with this thing. Okay. Oh, look at that. Do you guys see what? Where's the sun? Okay. We don't have much of an option at this point. So here's what we are going to do. We are going... You know that cave that I said was too dangerous? We're going to stay there for the day. Stop using your health. Oh my god. I am an idiot. Here, we'll stay here for now. We have some crafting and stuff to do. We have to make the split decision. We're going to go with the cave because there's more to do there and YouTube views. Alright, so. We got pebbles, Why is there a spider already? This is not going well. Your kind nearly killed me last. Yeah, we're just gonna stay in our little cave. Bing, bing, bing. Bing, bing. Okay, we're safe, which is what we want. Now we're going to craft torches ASAP. We have enough for 8, which is what we want. Alright, so we'll just expand this a bit. Just enough. There, that's decent. And I'm going to make a furnace. We'll do that, or oven, blah, blah, blah. Doesn't matter, we'll put that here. We'll put half of our fuel in there. And we'll cook our pig. Okay, so everything is going fine while Dandy give me the pork chop. I will call you. I'll get you guys back when something interesting happens. Okay, so the interesting thing is actually, you can't see it. Hold on. So the interesting thing is our health, which is now almost back to full. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to craft more. Actually, we need one. Yeah, that should be. Okay, that should be. Okay, now we have enough. I'm not making ladders, I promise. We're going to use that much on fuel. Now we're going to make a hatchet o' rock and a pickaxe o' rock. And now we can literally burn these. Or use them. I prefer burn. Okay, so we just got the equivalent to getting an upgrade. This is literally the first night I've survived on this. So, or actually am surviving. So, how far are okay? We still have some time. We still have time. Why are all the enemies disappearing? This is hardcore. You guys see? Yeah, it's hardcore. It's hardcore because the hearts are like... The hearts are angry. That's how we know it's hardcore. Or it's just because I'm playing it, so it's always hardcore. Okay, can we just then... Oh. Should we wait? I think I saw some iron in the cave back there. I don't know how YouTubers actually move. Wait, can't... Oh, you can use the middle mouse button, huh? Well, I guess we have to prepare ourselves for a fight. I mean, you guys saw me take on that guy before. So here's what we're going to do. Alright, we took him, we caught him, we got him. Should I take a food? Nah, we're good, We peachy. Alright. What we're doing is we're looking for one piece of iron, that's it. And then we're out of here. Because what can you make with one piece of iron? A shield, of course. Why do we need a shield? Did I ask you? No, I didn't. I must have Alzheimer's because I don't remember asking. I know that's somebody else's joke, but I really don't care. Why am I passing coal, you also might wonder? It's because we can always come back and get it if we really need it. And at this point in time, we don't really need it because we got